We are going to go across to Guwahati because we are getting these visuals from the Guwahati Rotary Club, and Anirudh joins us live from there. Anirudh, there's been support pouring in for Arnab, for Republic from all quarters. These visuals that we're showing from Guwahati speak on the same lines. These people who've come out to support Arnab. Please show us those visuals and tell us what these people have been saying.
Yes, absolutely. No matter how much the Maharashtra government or the Maharashtra police try to muzzle the voice of Arnab and Republic TV, it is never going to happen. It is something that we will not tone down to. We will raise our voice. We will raise our voice even more and more louder. And since yesterday, spontaneous protests have been witnessed across the country from various parts of the country, and Arnab's hometown Guwahati is no exception. You can see here people have come out on the streets protesting against the atrocity of the Maharashtra government, against the atrocity being meted out to Arnab by the Maharashtra police, the Raigad police, the Mumbai police. And they have only one demand today. The people of Assam, the people of India have only one demand today, that the suspend the Maharashtra government and release Arnab immediately. We'll get some voices of the people out here. We have Siva Prasad Sharma here. I would like to come to you, Mr. Sharma. You have come out spontaneously in support of Arnab Goswami. What message do you want to send to the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra police in particular?
Maharashtra government is a corrupt, outright corrupt and notorious, and I can attribute all bad things for them. I don't have any good words for them. They are the killer of those people, and now for a petty suicide case, for a mayor on a scribble on a paper, they are trying to convict Arnab Goswami, which is nothing but witch hunting. We cannot allow such thing to happen. Democracy doesn't mean number of games. Democracy is for decent society. These people, this Sonia Sena, this Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena, Hata Usule group, and this NCP outright corrupt people, they don't have right to rule Maharashtra. And I urge upon government of India, they should immediately suspend these corrupt people. Democracy doesn't mean it is a game of numbers. It is
getting louder and louder. We have another lady out here. I would like to know from you, what message do you want to send to the Maharashtra government and the Maharashtra police in particular?
मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, असम की माटी से मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, अर्नब मेरे भाई, हमारे भाई अर्नब, तुम अकेले नहीं हो। असम की जनता, भारत की जनता तुम्हारे साथ है। अर्नब गोस्वामी, तुम असम के लाल हो, असम के बेटे हो, असम की माटी का तुम इज्जत हो। हम असमिया, हम असम के लोग, असम के समाज तुम्हारे साथ है अर्नब। पूरी भारत तुम्हारे साथ है अर्नब। तुम्हें घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं। सारे राष्ट्रवादी जनता जो भारत को प्यार करती है, जो माँ भारती से प्यार करती है, जो माँ भारती को अपना माँ मानती है, अर्नब गोस्वामी वो तुम्हारे साथ खड़ी है, रिपब्लिक भारत के साथ खड़ी है, क्योंकि रिपब्लिक भारत एक राष्ट्रवादी चैनल है। और जितने भी मेरे पत्रकार भाई जो माँ भारती को अपना माँ मानते हैं, वो इस मुहिम में अर्नब गोस्वामी के साथ खड़े हैं, देश के साथ खड़े हैं। और मैं कहना चाहूंगी, उद्धव ठाकरे, शिवसेना, कांग्रेस की सपोर्टेड सेना, आप सोनिया गांधी को खुश करने के लिए राष्ट्रवादी लोगों को जेल में भरोगे, पालघर में साधुओं को मारोगे, सनातन धर्म पे वार करोगे, तो नहीं चलेगा ये खेल। उद्धव ठाकरे तुम्हारे दिन पूरे हो गए हैं। सोनिया गांधी कितने दिन तक तुम्हें बचाएगी? परमवीर सिंह, तुमने साध्वी प्रज्ञा की हाल बेहाल की, कर्नल पुरोहित के साथ तुमने हाल बेहाल किया, और तुमने पूरी दुनिया को दिखाया कि सनातन धर्म गेरुआ तुम्हारा आतंकवाद है। वो गलत हो गया।
If Arnab would have been in the studio, he would have really folded his hands and said thank you to all the people who've been supporting him, who've been by his side, and and we continue to do that on his behalf because we are waiting for Arnab to be out and continue to ask the same questions. Till then, you and me and all the people of the country continue to be Arnab's voice and continue to ask the questions that Arnab would have asked. I'll quickly go into a short break and I would request my guest to continue with me.
Absolutely.